Le prince Albert de Monaco a été testé positif au Covid pour la deuxième fois, a confirmé hier le palais. Le royal de 64 ans a de nouveau contracté le virus après être devenu le premier chef d'État connu à être infecté en mars 2020, mais il est asymptomatique et continuera à travailler à distance. Il n'a pas été confirmé si la princesse Charlène, qui est récemment revenue à Monaco après avoir passé du temps dans un centre de traitement, ou leurs jumeaux de 7 ans, la princesse Gabriella et le prince Jacques, ont contracté le virus. L'une des sorties publiques les plus récentes d'Albert a été d'assister au service commémoratif du duc d'Édimbourg à l'abbaye de Westminster le mois dernier, auquel il a assisté sans sa femme. Une déclaration du palais disait, « Le palais princier annonce que le prince Albert II de Monaco a été testé positif au Covid-19. Le palais a confirmé qu'il n'y avait aucune inquiétude pour la santé du royal et qu'il serait en contact permanent avec les membres de son cabinet car il reste isolé. Le prince souverain devait assister au gala de Stony Brook à New York hier soir mais n'a pas pu y assister. Albert a initialement contracté Covid-19 au début de la pandémie, à peu près au même moment que le prince Charles, 73 ans, qui a été testé positif pour la deuxième fois en février de cette année. In December 2020 the Royal opened up about the physical fatigue he felt during his long recovery from COVID, telling People magazine, "There were times during the day when it just hit, but not like the kind of drowsiness you feel after a heavy meal." It was really just an experience of physical fatigue, like the kind that comes on when you've done too much or when you're coming off an illness. This virus stays with you quite a while. Albert positive test comes after Charlène, 44, returned to the Principality after facing health problems, including what the palace has previously referred to as a state of profound general fatigue. The mother of two was reportedly admitted to a private Swiss clinic in late November, within days of her return to Monaco following a 10-month absence in her native South Africa. The palace said in a statement issued earlier this month stating, "The next few weeks should allow for Princess Charlène to further strengthen her health, before gradually resuming her official duties and commitments." The Monaco Palace has consistently denied media report of a rift between Charlène and the Principality ruler Prince Albert, who were wed in 2011, following the prince's long absence. She was clearly exhausted, physically and emotionally. She was overwhelmed and could face official duty, life in general or even family life, Albert told People magazine in November. Zimbabwean-born Princess Charlène was hospitalized after collapsing in September in South Africa, where she had been living for several months. The royal couple has been dogged by rumors about their rocky relationship almost since their marriage, which was briefly a fairy tale match for a prince long described as the world's most eligible bachelor.